Out this 3-pack of dusk to dawn sensors, and let's check one of these out. These are waterproof, and they're kind of handy for like putting these in between a switch. Oops. If you just want these to come on at a certain time, if you have like outdoor lighting and things like that, you can wire these in amongst your in between your wiring. So if you just had if you're running some outdoor wiring and you wanted your switches, your lights to come on automatically, so dusk to dawn, the way it works, it's got a photo sensor switch right here. So when it gets light, it'll turn it off, and when it gets dark, it'll turn on the switch. So this just goes right in with your wiring. Your neutral wire would be, if you had 2 wires coming in, you would split it, attach your neutral wire there, and then the black wire coming in, you would go from this one to this one. So you would just thread this one into your white wire and basically interrupt your black coming in from both sides, from into the red into here. So pretty easy setup. These are waterproof, and then to attach these, you would have like some kind of a bracket here, and then this would just screw down on top of that. So you could put it in a light post, or I actually have one in my garage. It's got like a, through the concrete, keep dropping stuff, I don't know why. So anyways, this is a handy little 3-pack of these. So if you did want to put in some outdoor lighting, or you could even you could do it on a sconce too, on your outside thing if you wanted to. So it's a pretty handy idea. It keeps you from having to turn your lights on and off manually. And if you're gone on vacation or something, it looks like someone's home while your light's coming on and off at the same, or whenever it gets dark. So yeah, pretty neat little switch here. Thanks for watching this unboxing video, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.